Hi there, I'm Alexis Mantione, the founder, owner, and inventor of this new patented needle. And I want to show you what it's all about. We are the only people anywhere to have this luxury ergonomic knitting needle system with the patented toggle that slides to keep all your stitches in place. So I'm sure as you're looking at this, you're probably saying, what is that? Or it's a circular needle, what is she talking about? But I assure you, it is not. It is actually a toggle system that's going to make your life so much easier. You will knit quicker, longer, and with less strain on your hands and wrists. So let me just tell you, you see here I have this very large bulky blanket, and as you can imagine, as I was knitting, it was just getting so heavy, so big. I was not enjoying it. When you're on circulars, you know, you're going back and forth and flipping it, and all your stitches are falling down to the bottom. You have to keep pulling them back up. It's a lot more repetitive motion for your hands. And as we know, most creators and knitters, we run into having, our hands hurt, they swell, we just have problems with them because it's over repetitive. So what this invention is going to do for you, it's going to help alleviate some of that. We've had really terrific stories of people that were not able to knit anymore, and they actually started knitting with these. So say you're doing a shawl. I realize this is not the size of a shawl. A shawl would be another 300 stitches, but I just wanted to give you the idea. So you have your two needles, right, each with your cord. Here is the patented slider that really does the magic. And again, you're knitting like you have two separate needles, which you really do. So again, here's the other side. So what you're doing here, the object of this, right, is that all those stitches are up at the front, up at the top. So you don't have to keep pulling and pulling and pulling those stitches that fall down to the bottom. It's a waste of energy, and it's a waste of, for your hands. So I'm going to put my glasses on because I can't really see what I'm doing here. And I'll just show you. You just knit as usual. As you can see, I want to make it down to the end so I can just show you how when you get to the end, this is not like a circular, it's a regular needle. You just, start all over. That's basically what you're doing. If you notice, I have my yarn on my yarn holder. So sometimes I use a bowl. Sometimes I use this rotating holder. The rotating holder is excellent. So I'm almost at the end. Here we go. Right? And so the needle's gone, right? There's none of this twisting, turning, like with circulars. There's, just none of that. It's very, very easy. And so you see all these stitches, right? And again, it could be much, much longer. I just did a small one here so you could see what we were all about. And what do we do to keep all those stitches all up there, right? So that's the beauty. I'm just going to show you. Doesn't matter where it is here, where the slider is. And you just continue on. I hope you understood this demonstration. I think it's pretty easy to understand. So come visit us, join the blog, join our private Create and Relate group on Facebook. It's really awesome. We give a lot of discounts, a lot of things to learn, a lot of people to meet, and we're really tight with the community, which is what you will learn from us, is that we have a real tight community. You'll enjoy it. So thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration, and feel free to even call us if you want, because we're always around. Thanks a lot, and bye everybody.